Style Helper by DiRoots is a pretty simple tool that allows you to easily edit your Civil 3D settings and styles. So as you can see here, all these are my styles. Here's surface styles. So normally when you want to edit a style, you need to click into each one and hit edit, right? All this stuff, borders, grid, contours, etc. And Style Helper helps move that process along a little bit quicker. Pull this up here. You know, if I want to put these on a new layer or new line type, I can do it right here in Style Helper. So let's pull up surface. We were looking at surface styles earlier, and you can change anything here. My arrow scale, my color, and so instead of picking each one, I just drag these over. And everything I could possibly change inside my styles is here now. This is a super useful tool. It simplifies editing your settings where you don't have to do all this repetitive clicking around, which can be kind of annoying.